Have you always wanted to learn how to draw realistic portraits? Well, then I have the website for you. Don't tell them, they should learn that at the end of the video. Right, so many people don't watch all the way to the end. Oh yes, I forgot about that part. It would be better to tell them now. Go to portraitartacademy.com. It is free. No, it isn't, but it's still very affordable. Oh. So that it appears lighter. And the areas where it's darker, I'm going to put them closer together. I almost feel like I should just color everything white and just go over it with the gray pencil to show the differences in the hairs. So where it's very light, I'm just putting little soft lines there. And where it's a little darker, or the difference between light and dark is bigger, I can press harder on my HB pencil. Yeah, pretty obvious, huh? A lot of work. I'm adding a bit more here because there's a bit of a shadow there. So that's how you create those areas, by just putting more dark lines in that area than in the other ones. And that's how you can make the beholder, the viewer, the observationist, that's how you can make them see the difference between this and right next to it where it's lighter. Lots of little lines here. Da, 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 da. Lots of little lines here. I do like the HB pencil a little better than the black, but the black was perfect for areas like this and there, and the eyes. So it was really perfect for that. Here, there's like almost no difference. It's just one white blur, and here around it is where you start seeing the hairs again. So you can put a little bit of gray pencil in there, but not a lot, and press lightly so that the area stays white, which is what it mostly is. But yeah, very lightly add a few hairs to it. There's some white over here, but it's not completely white, so we're going to put lightly some pencil lines here, some HB pencil lines. And then there's a lot of these lines, little lines over here. Look at that. So many little lines. I don't know really what else to explain about it. But do you see the point? It's a lot of work. There's a lot of lines. But when you're done, the results, well, not only when you're done. Like, I mean, it's starting to look great, right? Halfway, you can already see like, oh, this is going to look amazing. So here, I want to draw longer lines because these hairs are longer. So you don't want to do the same thing as over here, like dot, 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 dot. You just want to, I mean, that sounded like a machine gun, I know. But yeah, here you want to draw longer lines. And you want to kind of get in between the white areas. And in a way, by drawing gray lines, you're drawing white hairs, you know, because you're drawing in between them. And so that's one way to do it, right? I mean, sure, you can also have a very pointy white pencil, unlike this piece of junk. I'm sorry, did I hurt your feelings? Yeah, I tried to sharpen this pencil, and it just doesn't like me, or the pencil sharpener doesn't like it. Maybe they had a bad relationship in the previous life. If you happen to believe in reincarnation, maybe one of them was a a mouse and the other one was the cat, and they still hate each other, like Tom and Jerry. And you're thinking, Tom and Jerry, what educational value do I get out of this, man? Listen, okay, look. Sometimes I'm entertaining, sometimes I'm boring, and sometimes I'm giving you instructions. But as I mentioned, I'm drawing in between these lines to draw the lines. Does that make sense? And I want a little bit of a furry line around it. I just like it. There we go. If you look at it from a distance, that's important too. Then it needs to look similar. Squint your eyes or close one of your eyes and look which area needs more shadow. And then you can draw that. I think up here, a bit more. And maybe some over here. And that's about it. See how there's like a little bit of white here that distinguishes between the head and the ear. So we want to make sure that it's a little darker above that white fur. And then you can see the difference better.